Good morning, children. This is class 3 science. We have completed the chapter 3. Now we are discussing the answer question. In my earlier video, I have already completed the objective and short answer question of this chapter. Now today we are going to discuss the long answer question of this chapter. Children, take out your copy, pencil, rubber, and even you can take out your book also. In any of the ways you are going to write the answer question of this chapter, and it should be learned to you also. Okay, so take out your copy. Birds use their feet to hold on tree and branch and wires. The first question is, what are perching birds? How are their feet different from the flesh-eating birds? The question is given in your book. So either you take out your book and write these answers just beside of the book, just under the questions you write this answer. Birds use their feet to hold on to tree branch and wires are called perching birds. So what are perching birds? Those birds who sit on a branch or wires, they call perching birds. Perching birds' feet have 3 smooth front toes and 1 back toes. Write it fast. Birds, either you take out a screenshot also. You can take the screenshot and you will write it afterward. Bird uses their feet to hold on to tree, branch and wires are called perching birds. Perching birds' feet have 3 smooth front toes and 1 back toes. These toes help the birds to hold on the branch and wire. So how these toes help them? They help to grip the wire or branch. While fresh eating birds have sharp and curved claws called talons. These have smooth toes while these have curved and very sharp claws because they are flesh eating. These flesh eating, they help the birds use their talons or their claws to tear meat pieces or to cut meat pieces. Children, write this answer fast. I am holding the video for a few seconds here. And these questions should be written in a properly in beautiful writing in your notebook. So I just suggest you, whenever writing, just after seeing this video or along with this video, you should write in your rough copy and then you share it in your note copy in a good writing. Now let's do question number 2. Describe different type of feathers that birds have. I have already taught you different type of feathers the birds have. There are 3 different types of feathers. There are, ma'am, I already given, there are 3 different types of feathers that birds have. A. Flight feathers. These are large size feathers mostly found on wings and tail and help the birds to fly. Body feathers. These feathers cover the whole body and give it a curved shape. C. Down feathers. These are fluffy feathers that keep the body warm. So you have to explain all 3 types of feathers and you have to name them also. This way you will be going to describe the different type of feathers that birds have. Okay, children? Let's do question number 3. That is also very important question. Write it fast. If you are writing it, write it fast. Question number 3. Name 2 birds that build their nest by swing and weaving. Describe their nest. So, they are asking us to name 2 birds of swing birds and 2 weaving birds. So, these questions example, I have given the examples here. The 2 examples of swing birds are Acephalous birds and mountain tailor birds. The bird stitches the leaves together using straws and thread and fills it with wool and grass. Okay, this is for the swing birds. What they do? They sew the 2 leaves, and how they are sewing? They use straws and threads and fill it with their wool and grass. Okay. Next, the two examples of weaving birds are Baya weavers and village weavers. So, weaver birds are also different types. One is Baya weavers, another is village weavers. The nest is made up of grass, fine strip of palm, and hangs down from the branch of the tree. An opening is left at the lower end for the parents' bird to enter. So, this way you have to explain their nest, how their nest is different from the other bird's nest. Okay, children, take the screenshot, take the pictures, and then you will write it in your copy. Let me discuss the last question, that is, how do birds look after their young ones? The mother bird lays eggs and sits on them, while the father birds look after the young one. So, the mother birds lays egg and sit on them, while the father birds look after the nest. This is the, I am giving you 4, since this is science, you have to explain in points. That's the main purpose of doing science answers. It is different from English and history or other SST answers. It should be point wise. So, how the birds look after their young ones, I am giving the 4 points, where the parents' birds, how they look after, I am giving the answer. The first is, the mother birds lays eggs and sits on them, while the father birds look after them, after the nest. Second, parents warm their babies by couching over them and covering them with their wings. So, that is also very important. Parents warm their babies by couching over them and covering them with their wings. Third answer, the mother bird first makes the food soft, then feed the baby birds. So, this is also a taking care. They also look after this. The mother bird first makes the food soft, then feed the baby birds. Fourth, parents' bird teach their young ones how to fly and find food for themselves. So, this is also a way you have to explain. How do birds look after their young ones? This is the answer of the fourth answer. Now, children, write the answer question in your book as well as in your copy. That is your homework. Okay, and then upload the homework in the dashboard. Hope so you have completed these answer questions in your book as well in copy. Thank you very much. We are going to start a new chapter in next class. Do the homework properly in your book and copy.